Hi students, let's see exercise 2.2 second part. I hope you got the first part. Those not getting, what you'll do? Subscribe this channel to get the previous videos. Ready? Now let's start the work. I'll read the question once. Find a quadratic polynomial, each with the given numbers as the sum and the product of its zeros respectively. Ready? That means in this question, sum and the product is given. Ready? Sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros are given. What do you want to find out? You want to find out the quadratic polynomial. To find out the quadratic polynomial, if sum and product is given, sum of the zeros and product of the zeros are given, what is the equation? I'll write once. If sum and products of the zeros are given, therefore the equation is x square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product of the zeros. This is a general equation. The question already given sum of the zeros and product of the zeros. To find out the quadratic polynomial, you have to use x square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product of the zeros. Okay, now let us start this. Given sum of the zeros, sum of the zeros equals 1 by 4 and product of the zeros equals minus 1. Therefore, the required quadratic polynomial is therefore the required quadratic polynomial is, what is the equation? X square minus sum of the zeros into x, that means s into x, plus product of the zeros. Is it okay? What is the equation? X square minus sum of the zeros, that is s, into x plus product of the zeros equals x square minus sum is how much? 1 by 4 into x plus what is the product? That is minus 1. This equals x square minus 1 into x, x by 4 plus and minus 1 equals, what you can write now? We are going to take LCM as 4. When you take LCM as 4, what you will do? This 4 we will multiply to here, isn't it? That means 4 into x square, what you will get? 4x square minus, x will be same. After that minus, what you will do? When you take 4 as LCM, we don't have 4 here as denominator, so we have to multiply this 4 to here. That means 4 into 1, 4. Okay, this equals, after that, this 1 by 4, this denominator 4, we will take outside. That means 1 by 4 bracket, what is the balance? 4x square minus x minus 4. Now we can write, since 1 by 4 into 4x square minus x minus 4 and 4x square minus x minus 4 have the same zeros, therefore the polynomial is Polynomial is 4x square minus x minus 4. Therefore, the required quadratic polynomial is 4x square minus x minus 4. Ready? Let's see the next question. Question 2. Root 2 is the sum and the product is 1 by 3. Ready? Given sum of the zeros, that you can write as symbol short s equals root 2, and the product of the zeros we can write p as 1 by 3. Ready? Therefore, the required quadratic polynomial is x square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product of the zeros. That means x square minus sx plus p. S means sum of the zeros, p means product of the zeros, isn't it? So equals x square minus sum of the zeros, what you will write? Yes, root 2. Root 2 into x plus product is 1 by 3. Now what you'll do? We'll take 3 as common denominator, isn't it? So now what you'll do? Here you have to multiply that 3, isn't it? So 3 into x square, 3x square minus. So here also we have to multiply 3, isn't it? That means what you'll do? 3 into root 2x. 3 into root 2x means 3 root 2x plus 1. Here no need, because here the denominator and the LCM are same. Ready? This equals. Now what you'll do? We'll take 1 by 3 as common, because the denominator, bracket, balance will write 3 x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. Ready? Now what you can write? Since 1 by 3 into 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1, and why we are writing this? Just imagine, if you take 1 by 3 into 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. This one, if you want to make it as zeros, if you want to get the zeros, what you will do? It should be equal to 0. That means the 0 when it goes to next side will be 0, because 0 into 3. That is what actually what you can write. Since 1 by 3 into 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1 and 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1 have same zeros. Therefore, the required quadratic polynomial is what you will write? 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. Is it okay? Let's see the next question. Question 3, that is sum is 0 and root 5 is the product. So that means you will write given sum of the zeros equals 0 and product of the zeros p equals root 5. Ready? Therefore, the required quadratic polynomial is what you will write? Polynomial is x square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product equals product of the zeros. That means x square minus sum means what you will write? 0. So 0 into x plus product is root 5 equals what you will write? X square, 0 into any number is 0. That means 0 into minus or. So 0 into any number is 0. That means minus 0 plus root 5 equals what you can write? X square minus 0 means no need to write. That means plus root 5. So your required quadratic polynomial is x square plus root 5. Let's see question 4. 1, 1 means sum of the zeros is 1, product of the zeros are 1. So we'll write given sum of the zeros, that means s equals 1 and product of the zeros, that is p equals 1. Ready? Therefore, the required quadratic polynomial is x square minus sum of the zeros into x, that means sx plus product equals x square minus sum means 1, so 1 into x plus product is 1 equals x square minus 1 into x plus 1. So this is the required quadratic polynomial. Okay, let's see the next question. Question number 5. Minus 1 by 4 is the sum and the product is 1 by 4, isn't it? So we'll write given sum of the zeros s equals minus 1 by 4 and product of the zeros p equals 1 by 4. Ready? Now what will you write? Yes, therefore the required quadratic polynomial is tell the formula, what is that? X square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product equals, now what is the value of sum of the zeros here? Minus 1 by 4, isn't it? So we'll write x square minus sum of the zeros, mean we'll write minus 1 by 4 into x plus product is 1 by 4. Because of minus, I put inside the bracket. Ready? This equals x square minus into minus plus 1 into x by 4. See, minus into minus plus 1 into x is x divided by 4 plus 1 by 4. What you'll do here? 4 we are taking as LCM, isn't it? After that, what you'll do? Here there is no denominator, so we have to multiply 4 to here. That means 4 into x square. 4x square plus what you'll get here? X, because here denominator and LCMs are same. Plus here also same, that is 1. This equals 1 by 4 bracket, because the 4 denominator we are keeping separate. Balance what you'll write? 4x square plus x plus 1. Then what you'll write? Since 1 by 4 into 4x square plus x plus 1 and 4x square plus x plus 1 have same zeros, therefore the required quadratic polynomial is what you'll write? 4x square plus x plus 1. Is okay? Let's see the next question. Question number 6, that is 4, 1. Means sum is 4 and the product is 1. So we'll write given sum of the zeros, that is s equals 4, and product of the zeros, that is p equals 1. Therefore the required quadratic polynomial is x square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product equals x square minus sum of the zeros means 4, isn't it? So 4 into x plus product is 1 equals x square minus 4 into x, 4x plus 1. So this is the required quadratic polynomial. See question number 3. It is not in the CBSE textbook, but of course it is belongs to some of the state board textbooks. But make sure that those in CBSE students, you can practice some more extra questions, no problem. Ready? So I am reading question number 3. Find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 3 plus root 5 and 3 minus root 5. That means given two zeros. Given two zeros. That means zeros we can take alpha and beta are the zeros, isn't it? So what you will write? Given alpha equals 3 plus root 5 and beta equals 3 minus root 5 are the two zeros. Ready? This is already given in the question. Therefore, sum of the zeros means alpha plus beta equals alpha plus beta means alpha is 3 plus root 5 plus beta, what will do? 3 minus root 5. Isn't it? These two are adding. After that, root 5 plus and minus will cancel. Now the balance is 3 plus 3. What is that? 6. That means sum of the zeros we got it 6. And product of the zeros. Product of the zeros, that is alpha into beta equals 3 plus root 5 into, that is alpha into beta. Beta is 3 minus root 5. Now, a plus b into a minus b. What is that? A plus b into a minus b. See, a plus b into a minus b equals a square minus b square. This one you need to by heart. Ready? What is that? A plus b into a minus b equals a square minus b square. Ready? So, we will write here. What is a here? 3. That means 3 square, that is a square minus b is what? Root 5 the whole square. Now, square and root will cancel. Equals square of 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5, you got 4. Now what do you want? Find a quadratic polynomial, isn't it? Therefore, the required quadratic polynomial is what will do? X square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product of the zeros equals sum, just I am keeping as product as p. X square minus sum, how much you got? 6, isn't it? That means 6 into x plus product, that's 4 equals x square minus 6 into x, 6x plus 4. This is a quadratic polynomial. What is that? X square minus 6x plus 4. Okay, let's see question number 4. If 2 and minus 3 are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, x square plus a plus 1 into x plus b, then find the values of a and b. See, they already given 2 and minus 3 are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Ready? So what you will do means, with these zeros, we will find out the polynomial. After that, we will equate with this given polynomial. Then we will get the value of a and b. So what you will do? First you will write given. The first zero, that is alpha equals 2 and beta, that's minus 3. Therefore, sum of the zeros means what you will do? Alpha plus beta equals, what is that? 2 plus minus 3 equals, see, 2 plus into minus, minus 3. So plus and minus, what you will do? Minus. So 3 minus 2, 1. But we know that the bigger number is minus, so the answer is minus 1. Ready? And after that, product of the zeros, p. Alpha into beta. Ready? That means what you will write? 2 into minus 3 equals 2 3s are 6. Of course, minus is there, so we will write minus 6. Ready? Now, therefore, the quadratic polynomial is x square minus sx plus p equals x square minus, sum is how much? Yeah, minus 1, put in bracket, minus 1 into x plus product, that also put in bracket, minus 6 equals x square minus into minus plus 1 into x, x plus into minus, minus 6. Now, but zeros of the given polynomial is already given, but we got one another quadratic polynomial, isn't it? Now what happened? This given quadratic polynomial and what we got, these two are equal. Ready? So, given x square plus x minus 6 equals, this one will write, what is that? X square plus a plus 1 into x plus b. Ready? Now this implies we want the value of a and b. That means the coefficient of x and the constant term we have to equate. This implies we can write coefficient of x, that is b. See, implies the coefficient of x, because we want the value of a. That means b equals ax square plus bx plus c. That is the general formula, isn't it? That means what you write, b equals 1 equals, here what you got, b, a plus 1. This implies 1 equals a plus 1. So if you want a equals, this 1 will go to next side. That means 1 minus 1. Ready? That means we'll get, this implies 0 equals a, therefore a equals 0. Ready? After that, now we'll take constant term. Constant is what? C. C means the first equation, constant term. Constant term C is minus 6 equals, and here is B. That means what you'll do? Therefore, minus 6 equals B. That implies B equals minus 6. Now, we got the value of A as 0 and B as minus 6. Okay? Let us see the next question. Question number 5. I'll read the question once. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial 2x square minus 5x plus 7, then find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 3 alpha plus 4 beta and 4 alpha plus 3 beta. Ready? First, what is given? If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, given alpha and beta are the zeros for the polynomial. What is the polynomial? 2x square minus 5x plus 7. This implies the value of a. What is the value of a? 2, and the value of b is minus 5 and c is 7. Ready? Therefore, sum of the zeros. What will you write? Sum of the zeros. That is alpha plus beta equals minus b by a. I think we know that. This equals, that means minus, what is the value of b? Minus 5 divided by a is 2 equals minus into minus plus, that means 5 by 2. That implies alpha plus beta equals 5 by 2 and product of the zeros. Product of the zeros, that is alpha into beta equals c by a. We studied the formula before, isn't it? So this equals, what is the value of c? That is 7 by 2. That means this implies alpha into beta equals 7 by 2. Now the zeros of the quadratic polynomial to be formed are Now the zeros of the quadratic polynomial to be formed are 3 alpha plus 4 beta and 4 alpha plus 3 beta. Ready? That means sum of the zero mean what you will do, the zeros are now 3 alpha plus 4 beta. This is 1 0 and the other 0 is 4 alpha plus 3 beta. So what you will do, sum mean these two we will add it. Ready? That means we will write sum equals, these two will add it, that is 3 alpha plus 4 beta plus the second one, what is that, 4 alpha plus 3 beta equals, now see, 3 alpha plus 4 alpha, 3 plus 4, that is 7 alpha plus 4 beta plus 3 beta, 4 plus 3, 7, that means 7 beta equals. Now from these two, what you can take common, 7. So 7 bracket alpha plus beta equals 7 into, what is the value of alpha plus beta? Just before we got it, what is that? 5 by 2. Yes, into 5 by 2. Ready? So this equals 7 5s are 35 divided by 2. This is the sum of the zeros. Ready? Now product of the zeros, product means these two will multiply. That means 3 alpha plus 4 beta into 4 alpha plus 3 beta equals, these two will multiply, see, into 4 alpha. That means 3 alpha into 4 alpha means 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. Alpha into alpha, alpha square. Ready? After that, 3 alpha into 3 beta, that means plus 3 into 3, 9 alpha into beta, alpha beta. Ready? Plus now 4 beta into 4 alpha. So plus 4 beta into 4 alpha means 4 into 4, 16 beta into alpha will get alpha beta plus 4 beta into 3 beta, 4 3s are 12, beta into beta, beta square equals 12 alpha square plus 9 alpha beta plus 16 alpha beta, means alpha beta, these two terms are same. That means what you will do, just we can add it. That means 16 plus 9, how much? 25 plus 25 alpha beta plus 12 beta square. Is it okay? This equals, now what you will do means 12 alpha square plus this last term 12 beta square will bring to second. Ready? That means plus 12 beta square plus balance. What is that? 25 alpha beta. 25 alpha beta. So this equals these two, 12 alpha square plus 12 beta square. 12 will take outside bracket alpha square plus beta square. How you got? See, from these two terms we are taking 12 as common outside, then the balance is alpha square plus beta square, because we took already 12 outside, plus 25 alpha beta. Now we should know an equation, that is a square plus b square equals a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. This one you need to add it. What is that? A square plus b square equals a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. Is it okay? Now this equals 12 bracket a square plus b square, alpha square plus beta square, that is a square plus b square. What will you write? A plus b the whole square, that means alpha plus beta the whole square, that is a plus b the whole square, minus 2ab. 2ab means 2 alpha beta. This is the formula. Plus 25 alpha beta. Ready? We are solving this. Why we are doing this means because these values are given. And alpha square plus beta square is not possible for us to find out direct, isn't it? That is what we are converting this alpha square plus beta square into alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Ready? This equals. Now we'll open with 12. 12 alpha plus beta the whole square. Opening with 12. 12 into this. Minus 12 into 2. 12 into 2. 24 alpha beta. Already here. Plus 25 alpha beta equals 12 into alpha plus beta the whole square. Now plus and minus, what you'll do? Minus of 25 minus 24, 1 alpha beta. 1 alpha beta means just you can write plus alpha beta. Why we are writing plus? The bigger number is 25, that is plus. Equals 12 into, what is the value of alpha plus beta in the beginning? Check it that. 5 by 2, isn't it? So we'll write 5 by 2 the whole square plus alpha beta, check it there before, 7 by 2. Ready? This equals 12 into square of 5, because it's square. Square of 5, 25. Square of 2, 4. Plus 7 by 2. This equals, now we can cancel by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12. Ready? Now, actually we can cancel again, but it's easy for us to solve, so no need to cancel balance. Ready? That means what you'll do? 6 into 25 by 2 plus 7 by 2. 6 into 25. 6 25s are 150, isn't it? So, because 25 4s are 100, again 2 more means 50. That is what? 150 by 2 plus 7 by 2. Ready? Now, 2 is the LCM. After that, 150 plus 7. Because the denominators are same. 150 plus 7 equals 157 by 2. This is the product of the zeros. Therefore, the required quadratic polynomial is x square minus sum into x plus product, sum of the zeros into x plus product of the zeros, equals x square minus sum of the zeros we got already. How much? 35 by 2. That means 35 by 2 into x plus product, what you got? 157 by 2. Ready? Now we'll take LCM as 2. That means we will multiply 2 here. So what you'll get? 2x square minus 35x. No need to change here because same denominator, isn't it? Plus 157 equals 1 by 2. We are taking outside because 2 is in the denominator common, isn't it? So we are taking outside. That means what you will write balance? 2x square minus 35x plus 157. Ready? Now what you will write? Since 1 by 2 into 2x square minus 35x plus 157 and 2x square minus 35x plus 157 have the same zeros. Therefore, the required quadratic polynomial is, what is that? 2x square minus 35x plus 157. Little longer answer, you need to practice more time. Ready? Let's see the next question. Question number 6. If root 5 and minus root 5 are the zeros of the polynomial x cube plus 3x square minus 5x minus 15, find the third zero. Two zeros are given. It is a cubic polynomial, isn't it? From here, what do you want to find out? You have to find out the third zero. So what you will do? First we can write given root 5 and minus root 5 are the zeros. Therefore, x minus root 5 and x plus root 5 are the factors of the cubic polynomial x cube plus 3x square minus 5x minus 15. Ready? That means if we get the zeros, that means what you will do? X minus that 0 will be the factors of the given polynomial. Ready? Now these two multiples also the factors. That means what you will do? Therefore, x minus root 5 into x plus root 5 also the factor for the given polynomial. Ready? That means what you will do? This implies these two will multiply. So a minus b into a plus b. See? A plus b into a minus b equals a square minus b square. This formula. That means what you will do here? X square, that is a square minus b is root 5 the whole square. This equals what you will do? X square minus square and root will cancel, will get 5. Is also the factor, isn't it? That means what you will do? We are going to divide x cube plus 3x square minus 5x minus 15 by this one. So we will divide now. That means first we will write x cube plus 3x square minus 5x minus 15 divided by, what you got while multiplying? We got it, x square minus 5. This will divide it. Ready? So what you will do first time? What is that? X cube divided by x square. The division we will do in the next exercise. So bear it now. Ready? So x square 2 times. From here 3, 2 times will cancel, 1 time. That means x will be the balance. So x will be in the quotient side. After that what you will do? X into this one. What is that? X square minus 5. We will open it. X into x square, x cube minus x into 5, 5x. Ready? So we will write here. What will write? X cube minus 5x. Because of x, I am writing downside of x. Actually it is x square, isn't it? Now we will minus it, isn't it? We will minus it. That means here minus. This minus into minus will be plus. Now x cube minus x cube will cancel. This 3x square will bring down. The sign will not change. 3x square. This minus and plus will cancel. This minus 15 will bring down. The sign will not change. Ready? After that 3x square, we will take 3x square divided by this first time. What is that? X square. X square will cancel. We will get only 3. 3 means plus 3. We will write in the quotient side. Ready? After that 3 into x square minus 5. We will open it. 3 into x square, that is 3x square minus 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. So that we will write here. That means 3x square minus 15. While subtracting minus, here will be minus, minus into minus plus. Cancelling, both will cancel, isn't it? 0 will get. That means we got it x plus 3. That means this implies x plus 3 is a factor. If we get this a factor means what we will do? This implies x plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to 3 goes next side minus 3. That means what you will write? Therefore, minus 3 is the third 0. Okay. So, now we got it. The entire exercise 2.2. So don't forget to subscribe this channel to get the balanced video.